Hi folks, right now we're preparing a piece of Schedule 40 aluminum pipe to be welded with the Multiplaz in the most adverse conditions that a welder can possibly face, trying to do a non-ferrous weld. Anyhow, pipe is machined with approximately a 50-inch bevel, and now I'll have to stitch this into the next segment. This goes from the lathe to the blizzard. See you in a minute. Hi again, it's me. I'm just recording here the conditions I'm going to be working in. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good. We got almost 50 centimeters of snow today since 6 a.m. It's now 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here's the machine I'm going to use to do this so-called impossible welding, as far as most welders would consider it. Those are the pipes I'm going to weld, Schedule 40 aluminum pipe. This is the welding torch. This is the cutting torch. This is the terminal. And that's all you need to know for now. So, the next time I turn this on, I will be outside welding those pipes together. See you then.